Hello children and welcome back. Today we will begin with the second chapter in Geography, Location and Extent. So before getting into the chapter, I would like to tell you that this year your geography lessons are based on the geographical aspects of two countries, that is India and Brazil. We will be learning and comparing these two countries throughout your standard 10. So today in the second chapter we will be introduced to the location and the area of both these countries. So children, I would ask you to learn the states and capitals of both these countries, which will be useful to you throughout the year. So children, let's begin with the topic. So children, I hope you know what is this. This is the flag of our country, India. It is the second largest populated country in the world. You all might have learned this in your previous classes or general knowledge. It is also famous for a variety of spices, as India is known for a lot of spices which is added in their foods. Next, sports. In sports, cricket is popular. There are many famous players like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, etc. So every country has a famous sport that is there. So for India, we have cricket. So now we have the flag of Brazil. This may be new to you. So look at it very carefully. Brazil is known for its samba dance, which is very popular there. It is also known as the coffee pot in the world, as it produces coffee in large number. In sports, football is a very popular sport there. You might have heard of some famous players like Neymar, Pele, etc. So children, we'll learn about India first. India is named as Republic of India. So we all know that the capital of the Republic of India is New Delhi. India is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres of the earth. So children, you need to remember this, that India is located in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. So children, don't get confused. It is located in the southern part of the Asian continent and it is located in the northern and the eastern hemisphere. So now let us look at the map and find the extent of mainland India in degrees. So children, you will now have to look at the imaginary lines, that is the longitudes and the latitudes. What are longitudes and latitudes? Longitudes means the standing or the vertical lines, and latitudes are the sleeping or the horizontal lines. So we have to look at these two lines and see from where to where our country is lying. So by observing the map of India, we get to know that the mainland of India is extended from 8 degree 4 minutes north. If you come down towards the southern part, you can see this arrow, red color. So it starts from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37. As you go on top towards the left hand side, you can see 37 degrees 6 minutes north. So these are the numbers or degrees that are showing the latitudinal extent, the horizontal lines. So now let us see the longitudes. The numbers are put on the top. You can see that 68, 72, 76. So these are the longitudes that show the degree for the longitudes. So now let us see the extent of longitudes. So India lies between 68 degrees. You all can see the red arrow, 68 degree, 7 minutes east. Okay, it starts from here and it goes on to till 97. See the arrow, it goes towards your right hand side. That is 97 degree, 25 minutes east. So these are the extent of the mainland India, that is from where to where our country is extended, that is a location. So children, now if we go down towards the south, that is towards the Bay of Bengal, you can see that we are having Indira Point. So what is Indira Point? Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. That means our country's location ends here. So that is the southernmost tip of India. And it is located at the parallel of 6 degree and 45 minutes north parallel. You all can see here where we saw the latitudes in between 8 degree and 4 degrees. So Indira Point lies in between 8 and 4 degrees. That is, the exact number is, or the exact degree is 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. Okay children? So now let us see the neighboring countries and the different water bodies that are surrounded in our country. Towards the east, so if you see towards the east, that is, if you can see the Seven Sisters, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, so that is the east side. So when you look at the east side, we have neighboring countries like Myanmar and Bangladesh. Okay, we are having Myanmar and Bangladesh. We also have the water body, that is Bay of Bengal. So towards the east, the water body that we have is Bay of Bengal. So when we move towards west, that is where we stay, that is Mumbai, towards the western side, the countries that lie towards the west are Pakistan, Afghanistan. Okay, there are two countries, that is Pakistan, Afghanistan. And you might know what is a water body that is surrounded towards the west. It is Arabian Sea. So as we go towards the top side, that is the northern side, we have countries like China, Bhutan and Nepal. I'll repeat, China, Bhutan and Nepal. And as we go down towards south, countries like Sri Lanka, Maldives. I know you will not be able to see Maldives here because it is a tiny island that is just beside Indira Point. Okay, and Indonesia. The last one, if you see towards the southern part, the tip there, the little yellowish part that you can see, that is Indonesia. So just beside that there is Maldives. So these are the countries that lie towards the south. And also we have the Indian Ocean. You all can see down here in the southern part, we also have the Indian Ocean. So children, the different things that are there is the important line that passes through our country, that is the latitude. So we have the Tropic of Cancer. You can see here that passes through middle of our country. Okay, Tropic of Cancer that passes through the middle of our country. That is an important latitude that passes through the middle of our country. So children, here we complete the second topic, that is the half of the second topic. So what we'll do now is that we'll have some revision here. The next part of the chapter will complete in the next video. So before winding up, let's have a short revision. Where is India located in the Asian continent? India is located towards the southern part of the Asian continent. Children, you all need to remember all these things. India is located towards the southern part of the Asian continent. Which is the main latitude that passes through India? What is it, children? It is Tropic of Cancer. It is Tropic of Cancer that passes through the middle of India. What is Brazil famous for? Brazil is famous for its samba dance, coffee plantation and football. I'll repeat, samba dance, coffee plantation and football. Okay, children, today we conclude here. The next part of the chapter will be explained to you in the next video. So I hope you understood this part of the lesson. I'll meet you again in the next video. Take care.